Court bombshell. Rick Harrison. Allegedly linked to Frank Fritz case by Mike Wolfe. In a shocking development that has sent ripples through the world of reality television, American Pickers. Star Mike Wolfe has allegedly linked Pawn Stars icon Rick Harrison to the ongoing legal case surrounding his former co-star, Frank Fritz. The bombshell was reportedly dropped during a recent court proceeding related to Frank Fritz's ongoing health and conservatorship issues following his debilitating stroke in 2022. Mike Wolfe, who has remained relatively quiet in public about the tensions between himself and Frank, was called to give testimony regarding the timeline and circumstances leading up to Fritz's health and financial decline. During his testimony, Wolfe allegedly suggested that Rick Harrison may have had indirect involvement in a controversial business arrangement that negatively affected Fritz's well-being. According to court documents and leaks from inside the courtroom, Wolfe stated under oath that Fritz had invested in a side project tied to Harrison, an alleged joint memorabilia venture involving vintage collectibles and rare items. Wolfe implied that Fritz was financially persuaded to contribute a substantial amount of money to the venture in 2020, just before his health started to deteriorate. The venture, however, reportedly went quiet after the initial investment, with little to no returns seen by Fritz. Frank trusted people he thought were friends in the business, Wolfe allegedly testified, and one of those people was Rick Harrison. He, Frank, was promised something stable, something long-term, but he got nothing. The statement has ignited a media firestorm, with many now questioning the true extent of Harrison's involvement in the deal. While there is currently no formal accusation of fraud or criminal activity against Harrison, legal analysts say the implication alone is enough to bring further scrutiny to his financial dealings and business partnerships. Rick Harrison has responded to the allegations, calling them completely unfounded and an unfortunate distraction from the real issue at hand, Frank's health and recovery. He also stated through his legal team that he never entered into any formal agreement with Frank Fritz, and that any claims otherwise are wildly speculative. The courtroom revelation adds a complicated twist to the already strained relationship between Wolfe and Fritz, whose fallout was highly publicized after Fritz left American Pickers in 2020. Many fans have expressed sadness over how fractured the once close friendship became, and this new layer involving Rick Harrison, another giant of the reality TV antique scene, only adds to the drama. As of now, the court has not filed any charges related to the alleged investment loss, but insiders suggest the judge may order a deeper investigation into Fritz's financial history to determine whether misconduct occurred. The involvement of high-profile reality stars has turned what might have been a private matter into a public spectacle. Whether Rick Harrison's name continues to surface in this case remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: the worlds of Pawn Stars and American Pickers have just collided in a way no one expected. And the fallout could be more than just reputational.